What are you most excited about tech-wise right now?
Hmm. Yeah, I mean, our focus is primarily in the payment side of things, but also, I actually tell people this all the time. The payment part of it actually is like the least exciting part for me. Really, for me, it's about what can we do with the technology that happens to provide payment that can actually build the store's business. How do we help that laundry make more money? How do we make that operator open a second store? How do we help them get to those milestones that I think so many new store investors are interested in? And so, for me, it's about leveraging the technology to find new business and new customers.
Mhm.
If you're talking about specific technology, I think, you know, things are happening so fast. There's AI out there that will help you analyze data. And I don't even know if we really know the best way to leverage that yet. I know there will be a method to that madness at some point for us.
Yeah.
And so we often will kind of sit and watch other industries and see how they best leverage it before we try to
Mhm.
I wouldn't say force it, but kind of push it onto our own customers.
Right.
But I see a lot more IoT type devices to help stores kind of monitor their business. Obviously, more mobile applications in there from the payment side and the monitoring side, interacting with customers through mobile devices. I think is here, and it'll only get better.
Mhm.
But I just think that um, um, the days of coin only stores is not going to go away, but we are
Mhm.
going to see it um, minimize. I mean, we're really going to see a
Mhm.
lot less of it as the consumer demands these conveniences. We try to keep it simple. I was always raised in this business. My father's, this is a convenience business.
Mhm.
People can do laundry in a lot of different places. If they live in an apartment, they can do it in the basement, in the laundry room. We have to give them conveniences that they can't get in their alternative methods. And so leveraging the technology that's out there and the stuff to come is how do we provide them a better convenience and a better service than what they have available
Mhm. Mhm.
otherwise.
Perfect. Yeah.